Good morning this Thursday, the 10th of July. I'm Grady Wolf, Senior Market Analyst with Bell Direct. Wall Street recovered to close higher on Wednesday as investors shrugged off the latest tariff noise to buy into the tech and other growth areas of the market again. The Nasdaq rose 0.94%, boosted by Nvidia shares climbing 1.8%. The S&P 500 added 0.61%, and the Dow Jones ended the day up 0.5%. On Wednesday, Trump sent a further 6 letters to countries outlining new tariffs on imports of goods bound for the US. In Europe overnight, markets closed at a 4-week high, boosted by the banks as investors await progress on trade talks between the US and the EU. The Stock 600 rose 0.78%, Germany's DAX added 1.42%, the French CAC climbed 1.44%, and in the UK, the FTSE 100 ended the day up 0.15%. Across the Asia market on Wednesday, it was a mixed session after President Trump ruled out any extension to the tariff deadline of August 1. That's the commencement date. Japan's Nikkei added 0.33%, Hong Kong's Seng fell 1.06%, China's CSI index lost 0.18%, and South Korea's Kospi index ended the day flat. The Australian share market dropped 0.61% on Wednesday following US President Donald Trump's escalation of his protectionist trade war as he reiterated threats to impose higher tariffs on copper imports. The key index ended the midweek session lower yesterday. Lifestyle communities saw a dramatic drop over 40% following a landmark tribunal ruling that deemed its profitable deferred management fees or exit fees imposed on residents to be invalid under state tenancy laws. Telix Pharmaceuticals surged 6% following the announcement that its prostate cancer imaging product, Gozellix, has been assigned a permanent code by the US Centers for Medicare and Medicaid, services effective October 1. Most traded stocks by Bell Direct clients and ETFs of the day yesterday by our clients were led by BHP, Ampol and Global X Physical Gold ETF. On the commodities front this morning, oil is trading 0.21% higher at $68.32 a barrel. Gold is up 0.36% at $3,313 an ounce, and iron ore is up 0.35% at $95.55 a tonne. The Australian dollar has strengthened against the greenback to buy 65.34 US cents, 95.61 Japanese yen, 48.05 British pence, and 1 New Zealand dollar and 9 cents. Ahead of Thursday's trading session here in Australia, the SPI futures are anticipating the ASX will open the day up 0.5%, so a good start to the day here. And now let's dive into some trading ideas for your consideration today. Bell Potter has decreased the 12-month price target on lifestyle communities from $8.55 to just $5 and maintain a hold rating on the company, following the receipt of the judgment from ongoing VCAT proceedings relating chiefly to its use of a deferred management fee structure. And Trading Central has identified a bullish signal on Data 3 following the formation of a pattern over a period of roughly 182 days, which is roughly the same amount of time the share price may rise from the close of $7.79 to the range of $9.80 to $10.20, according to standard principles of technical analysis. And that's all for this Thursday morning. I hope you have a wonderful day and happy investing.